Hello everyone. If you didn't watch my previous tutorials, please watch them first, otherwise you could not understand what I'm doing here. In this lesson we will see how to install option tree plugin for theme. Okay. Download option tree at this link. Option tree, search option tree in Google. You will get this link. Okay. Here you can download it. You will see how to install. Unzip it and copy the option tree folder and paste it into your theme folder. Okay. This is a download copy. I'm just extracting here. Copy this folder, paste it into your theme folder. You can see the installation instructions here. There are two ways to install this plugin. First one is plugin mode, another one is theme mode. This is the traditional way to install plugin, but here I am using theme mode. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to copy this file and opening my theme folder. This is my theme folder. This is my theme. Here I'm going to paste that folder. Okay. And add the code from the same link. Okay. The installation link, we will see this code. You should add this code at our functions.php file. I'm just copying this code and open our co-editor. This is our theme. Just open our functions.php file. We will add it here. After this code, I'm just commenting out what is it. Option tree. Paste that code and just remove these things. You don't want this command, as well as you should change this commas perfectly. Also remove this code. We don't want any comments. Okay. Also remove the comments, remove the commas here, quotations. Save the file. Okay. Refresh your dashboard. Now you successfully installed option tree plugin in theme mode. Now I am going to my dashboard. Refresh it. Here you can find option tree settings as well as documentations. Also you can see theme options at appearance tab. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching. In the next video we will see how to integrate it and add theme options. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.